Hey guys, welcome to the Acne Clear Chef. My name is Thomas Grabowski, and today we're going to be making some gluten-free smoked salmon avocado wraps. Now this is an amazing recipe because it contains a lot of omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for rebuilding the structural integrity of your cells and clearing up your skin and creating just a better rigidity and better communication between the cells in your body. So by incorporating wild salmon and different kinds of healthy fats into your diet, you're going to make sure that you're getting the right adequate proteins into your diet, but also the healthy fats necessary for healthy skin, hair, and nails. So this is a great recipe because it requires no cooking at all. It simply is a way of constructing an easy meal with what you have in the fridge. And at the same time, these are simple staple ingredients that you can simply put together and have yourself a delicious lunch or even a snack or dinner. So we're going to start off this recipe with one gluten-free teff wrap. I also have some organic caramelized onion hummus. Again, you can use any hummus you want. Garlic hummus and regular hummus are just fine as well. Next, the star of the recipe is smoked salmon. I'm using some salmon tidbits I bought at my local European deli. This is a great way to get that extra omega-3 fatty acids that I was talking about into your diet, as well as some adequate amounts of healthy proteins that is really helpful for rebuilding the skin and overall just health and well-being in general. For the veggies, I'm going to use San Marino mix. Essentially, this is a combination of arugula and spring mix. So if you have arugula and spring mix into your fridge, you can use those as well. I really like this combination because you get a little bit of the bitters from the arugula, but you also get that nice dark leafy greens from the lettuce as well. So this is a great combo. Get the bitter and the sweet and the crunch. It's going to give this a nice texture to your wrap. Then what we have here is some red onion. Again, this is going to add a lot of antioxidant, but as well as some polyphenols and a lot of that antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. Red onions also contain a high amount of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, C, and E, and also contain sulfur, which is very good for your digestive tract. And for the dressing, I'm going to use either olive oil or avocado oil. You can use whichever one you have, and I'm going to use a simple balsamic glaze to top it off. Or as an alternative, you can use a Caesar style dressing or a poppy seed style dressing as well. So to make this recipe, it's very simple. Again, this is kind of like an easy to go snack, lunch, or dinner. And anybody can really make this. No cooking is required, a little bit of chopping of vegetables, but besides that, it's very minimal work. So to start this recipe off, what you're gonna do is take one large teff wrap. You can also use a gluten-free brown rice wrap. I find those are really, really nice. You can buy those at a health food store, but try to find something with a healthy gluten-free grain that you can incorporate into your diet. Again, this will give you the energy you need to sustain you throughout the day. I'm going to add 1 large tablespoon of hummus for fiber and flavor. Next, I'm going to take about 2 to 4 ounces of smoked salmon here. Next, I'm going to add the San Marino mix to the wrap. Now I'm going to take 1/4 of an onion and make 2 to 3 slices right through. And I'm simply going to add these 2 to 3 slices and just spread it evenly on the wrap here. Make sure to slice the onions in half so you have a little bit more onion to spread around. I find a little bit too much onion can really overpower the wrap. Next, I'm going to use some olive oil to use as my dressing here. And I'm going to finish it off with a balsamic glaze. And there you go. That's phenomenal. Could use some more hummus though. Alright guys, and that's the recipe. If you guys want more recipes like this, feel free to follow me on my YouTube channel. You can also subscribe and hit that notification bell for more weekly or even daily recipe videos. Until then, eat more greens and go with the flow. Have a good week.